What's up guys? In this tutorial I will show you how to apply an overlay in CapCut Mobile. Start by opening the CapCut app and either create a new project or open an existing one. Now, if you've only added one video so far, you won't see the overlay button just yet. Instead, look for the plus icon at the right edge of the timeline. Tap on that plus icon to add your second video. This is the one you want to use as an overlay. Once the second video is added, tap to select it in the timeline. Then, scroll through the toolbar at the bottom of the screen and tap on Overlay. This action will immediately turn your second video into an overlay and place it on a new track beneath the main video in the timeline. But on a preview screen, it will appear layered on top of the main video. With the overlay video selected, you will see a green outline in the preview area. You can now use two fingers to pinch and resize it. Drag it anywhere on the screen. Common placements include a corner of the screen, like a face cam effect in the bottom left or right. Once it's positioned how you want, you can continue editing. You can add more overlays by tapping the plus icon again, or continue using other tools like text, music, transitions, or effects. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.